How to fix failed to load library Mfplat.Dll. Now, these are the troubleshooting steps on how we can fix this issue. The first troubleshooting step is we can go ahead and uninstall the Visual Cs. So to do that, just click on Windows on your keyboard and type in Apps and Features. This is for Windows 10. Now, once you're here, you just go ahead and scroll down, and you can go ahead and choose any of those Microsoft Visual C Plus that you want to uninstall. Now, once you uninstall it, you can reinstall it again and try to fix or try to see if it is already working. If it's not, then we can go ahead and go to our second troubleshooting step. Now, on the second troubleshooting step, this is requiring us to download the mfplat.dll file. So you just go ahead and pull up your browser and go to dll-files.com. So once you downloaded the mfplat.dll file that suits the architecture of your PC, you just have to insert that file under your local disk C. So let's go to your local disk C and then click on Windows and find your system 32 here. So you just need to paste that here and check if it is already fixed. Now, proceeding on the third step is actually just recovering or cleaning your possible malwares or viruses. So to do that, press the Windows and then type quick scan and then hit enter on virus and threat protection. And from here, you can have an options on how you want the scan to run. You can customize it. It's either a full scan or with the Microsoft Defender offline scan. So those are the troubleshooting steps on how we can fix failed to load library mfplat.dll.